Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Premiere Pro. And in today's video, I'll show you how to export your project file in Premiere Pro. Let me show you how. So the very first thing you want to do is to come to the top right here. Go ahead and navigate to Export tab. Now you are here. First thing first, you have to make sure you name your project right here. And next thing you want to do is to come to the format right here. Then what you want to do right here and choose your format. There are so much different types of formats right here. So everything depends on what exactly you are looking for. Then you can also check the detail about your export right here. So this is the frame rate and progressive and software encoding, everything about it. You can check everything right here. So if you are not satisfied with the output of export, you can change the format right here. Let's say, for instance, I want to export this as MPEG-4 right here. So select MPEG-4, so you can see it has been added right here. MPEG-4 has been selected as my export file format. So just like so, if you want to export MP3, go ahead and select MP3. This will give you only audio file. So as for me, I'm exporting it as MPEG-4. Then you have file detail right here. Then you can choose your file location. Let's say you are not satisfied to export your file to the desktop. Click on here, and this will allow you to choose another export file folder. So in this tutorial, I'm going to export it in this folder, and I'll click on open, and go ahead and click on save. Then you can see I have changed my export folder right here, just like so. So presets, custom presets. So you can decide to come here and then what are the resolution that you want to export. You want to export it as high quality, which is 4K, or 1080 by or HD, or just high quality, or what have you. Everything depends on what you are looking for. So I'm going to look at about high quality right here. So MPEG-4 in high quality. So you have all the detail right here, such as the video formats, everything is going to be narrated right here, and the frame rate of the video is here, and the resolution and audio format. So you can go ahead and check on the audio, and if it has caption, go ahead and turn on your captions right here. So once you are done with every settings, go ahead and make sure you click on export right here, and in a few seconds all your video is going to be export, just like what you see right here. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Premiere Pro, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.